Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we master the word any in questions and negative sentences. This is one of the most important grammar points for beginners. Any is a special word we use to talk about things without saying exactly which ones. It refers to one or more items from a group. We use any mainly in questions when we ask about something, and in negative sentences when we say something does not exist or is not there. In questions, we use any to ask if something exists or is available. Do you have any questions means are there questions or not? Is there any milk in the fridge asks if milk exists in the fridge. Are there any students in the classroom asks if students are present. Any works with both plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Questions with any follow this pattern. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus any plus noun plus question mark. The auxiliary verb is do, does, is, are, or other helping verbs. Any always comes before the noun, whether it is countable plural like questions or uncountable like milk. In negative sentences, any means none or zero of something. I do not have any money means I have no money at all. There is not any water in the bottle means no water exists there. We do not need any help means we need zero help. Any in negatives emphasizes complete absence. Negative sentences with any use this structure. Subject plus auxiliary plus, not plus main verb plus any plus noun. The not comes after the auxiliary verb like do not, does not, is not. Any always follows the negative word and comes before the noun. Some goes in positive statements like I have some money. Any goes in questions and negatives only. Some also works for polite offers and requests like would you like some tea? Remember some for positive, any for questions and negatives. Practice these sentences. Do you have any questions uses any in a question. There is not any milk left uses any in negative. Would you like any help is a polite question. We do not want any trouble is negative. See how any fits perfectly in questions and negatives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.